Welcome back to the channel, Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we are checking out the Bell Streamer from Bell Canada, an Android box that has Netflix, 5TV, YouTube, and a host of other apps. Okay, so the chipset that powers this Android box is an Amlogic S905. It has 8 gigabytes of storage. The Wi-Fi connectivity, it supports 802.11 AN and AC, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands. It has Bluetooth 4.2, built-in voice control with Google Assistant. It's compatible with Google Home. You can control the volume of your TVs using the infrared IR blaster that's built into it. It's got HDMI output, micro USB for power, 2-channel stereo, 5.1 Dolby, and supports resolutions up to 2160 and up to 60 frames per second. All right, so let's see what we get inside the box. We're gonna take it apart here. Whoa, smaller than I thought. Much smaller than I thought. So we got the HDMI out with the power micro USB. Looks like there's a power button on the front. And that's about it. What else is in this? So it looks like the batteries with the remote. Two triple A's. So looks like we got the mute button, power, a dedicated 5 TV button, a Netflix button, your directional control, OK in the middle, back button, home button, looks like your apps button, volume up and down, switching channels up and down, your Google Assistant button, and your play and pause. Okay, what else is in here? So you have the power brick, USB cable, micro and USB A, and your HDMI cable. All right, and documentation. An incredible new TV experience just a few steps away. All right, so that's everything that's in the box. The Bell Canada Bell Streamer. All right, be back in a few. We're gonna check out the interface and how it looks on the TV. All right, welcome back. We are going to check out the setup of the new Bell streamer now. I'm gonna walk you through the setup process now. Alright, so it looks like it's based off of Android TV, not the new Google TV. Alright, so what is it asking now? Press OK. Alright, so press OK and the minus or the volume down button for 3 seconds. Okay, so welcome. You're just a few steps away from enjoying all your content. Please note that a Google account is required to activate this device and download apps from the Google Play Store. For more info, visit bell.ca/start streaming. Let's press forward and see where it goes. English. Quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. I'm gonna skip this because I'm currently connected to a computer monitor. All right, looks like I'm connected successfully to my Wi-Fi, and please wait. All right, so it's gonna do a 675 megabyte update. Shouldn't take too long. All right, so the download is complete. And now the box is gonna restart. Be back with you in a moment. All right, so now I'm gonna sign in with my Google credentials. All right, so here it is. This is the interface coming out of the Bell streamer from Bell Canada. It looks similar to the Alt TV interface you get when you check out Bell 5 through a regular Android APK. So we'll just go through how everything operates, how everything flows. Everything seems pretty responsive. No problems. Seems pretty quick. And let's hit the home button. Also, the main screen of this device is the Bell home screen. So this is your home screen. And then I guess you can get your apps through the Google Play Store here. So we'll check out the Google Play Store. Okay. Yeah, okay, I see what they did here. So now we're back into your Android TV interface. Everything is working pretty smooth. So just to let you know, I am subscribed to the Alt TV Premium package, a $29.99 Canadian dollar package. And with that package, you get a complimentary Bell streamer, which is this device that I'm showing you today. If you want to buy this box outright, it is $79.99 Canadian. And you can get that at the Bell store. And yeah, everything seems to be working pretty good. Let's go back to the home button. So you got your guide, shows you everything that's on or coming on. I don't detect any kind of lag or stuttering. Okay, that's the Bell streamer from Bell Canada. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please share to your friends, share to your colleagues, share to your coworkers. Just share and help me get to 1,000. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.